Hello, my name is Jonathan Hadley. I'll be discussing about GameStop for Dr. Stark's class for Spring 1 Management 280. GameStop, the company that I went to and talked to the store managers, did interviews at, was in Lincolnwood, Illinois. GameStop retails in video games and electronic devices such as iPhones and Android smartphones. GameStop as a business has about 22,000 employees. GameStop attracts gamers and parents alike. Typically, the customers range from 15 to 25. The mission statement, as you can see on the screen, basically is talking about how they want to exceed the quality of their competitors, such as Best Buy and Target and other stores that do sell games and other electronic devices. They want to give the best work environments for their employees as well. Being a former employee of GameStop, they try to give you a better place as an employee, but a lot of times it just doesn't work due to the fact that they focus more on sales than their employees. I believe that actually is what is hurting them as a company. Their strengths right now is definitely within their trade system. They have a system called the Circle of Life, as you can see on the right hand side. They focus on reservations, new sales, pre-owned sales, and trades. Reservations basically is a newer game or system that's coming out, and you can reserve that system or game. New sales, self-explanatory. New games, new systems. Pre-owned sales. Pre-owned sales is GameStop's biggest form of income. They push the pre-owned sales much more than anything else. They make 100% off of the pre-owned sales, and trades are a big thing for GameStop. That leads to pre-owned sales. They encourage a lot of their the customers to do trades so they can also get a cheaper cost on their video game systems and other games that they might want to buy. Their weaknesses is really focusing on sales more than their employees. The quality of GameStop has definitely dropped over the years, especially in the current state that they're in. GameStop has been seen as one of the worst brands in the video game industry and overall. Opportunities for them is that they are they're trying to expand their business into areas that they can succeed in, such as malls and other areas that don't have a lot of the competitors at. Threats, like any other company, it's the other stores that are in your own field. So like Best Buy has a lot of memberships that do everything better than the pre-owned membership that GameStop has. The corporate strategy is focusing on pushing and enrolling the customers in the Power Rewards card. The Power Rewards card is a card that basically allows members to save 10% on pre-owned items, and you get 10% more points back when you do pay for this. It's $15 for 1 year. And also a push of pre-owned items, and focusing on the Circle of Life. The corporate objective is basically offering a large pre-owned selection, opening stores in places like I stated before, that will go and target a broad audience of gamers, and trying to rebuild a brand that they did kind of mess up on their own. These links that I have are links that show the core values of GameStop and why they are in the business. And this link goes deeply into the circle of life and how the circle of life did mess up the image for GameStop. As a company, I do believe GameStop has fallen from what it was. GameStop has been through a lot. Within the last, I want to say 3 years, they have closed down more than 200 stores, laid off thousands of employees, just because the competitors such as Best Buy and Target offer better deals than them. And focusing on the circle of life has definitely took a toll on the success of GameStop. Their business image has just went and plummeted. Honestly, I believe that if they focus more on their employees and the customers, instead of trying to push sales on pre-owned items, I believe that their image can go back up. If you have any questions, you know where to reach me at HadleyJ09@gmail.com. Thank you.